This problem tells us that Trish's resting heart rate is 60 beats per minute. For every minute that she exercises, her heart rate increases 4 beats per minute. The question asks us, how long will it take her to reach a heart rate of 120 beats per minute? For this rate problem, we can go ahead and use a proportion table to help us organize the information that we're looking at. Here, the two different things that we're comparing, in the second sentence it tells us, is beats per minute. And we can put that down on the left-hand side. We're going to find a ratio of those two things and find the amount of time for a certain number of beats per minute. And we said in that second sentence, actually, that we have beats per minute of 4. Beats per 1 minute is the ratio. That's the rate. And we have 60 is the change that we need to see from 60 to 120. We'll talk about that in just a second. And we need to find the number of minutes. How do we get that number 60? Let's talk about that for a second. So her resting heart rate is 60 beats per minute. So if she is in the classroom, say the bell rings, she's going to go outside, she's going to play soccer, for example. When she's sitting in her desk, her heart bump, 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 is at a resting rate of about 60 beats per minute. So actually it's like 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. That's about 60 beats per minute, 1 beat a second. And then after she's been playing for a while, playing soccer, running around, her heart rate is a lot faster, 120 beats per minute. So how much of a change is that? From 120 minus the resting heart rate of 60, that changes to 60 beats per minute change. And that's the change. That's the number that we're looking at over here. We want to find out how long does it take to go up 60 beats per minute from the resting rate of 60 to the top rate of 120 in this question. So that's where we get that 60 from. So let's set up a proportion over here. We have 4 over 1 equals 60 over x. And we can use cross multiplication to solve this. So we're going to say 1 times 60 divided by 4 is going to tell us how long it takes to go up from the resting rate of 60 to 120. And 1 times any number is going to be the number itself. 1 times 60 is 60. That's easy. And then 60 divided by 4 is going to tell us how long it's going to take. 4 goes into 6 one time, with 2 remaining. Bring down a 0, and 4 goes into 25 times. And that is evenly solved. So 15 is the answer. 15 what's? 15 minutes. So she goes outside. Trish goes outside with a resting heart rate. She's been in the classroom. She's more calm. She has about 1 beat per second, a resting rate. She goes out and plays soccer. For every minute that she's running around, her heart rate goes up 4 beats per minute faster after 15 minutes at the end of recess, say. Her heart rate, if she's been running steadily, could be 120 beats per minute after 15 minutes. When this problem makes sense to you, go ahead and try the practice problem. Let's group with this problem in the homework quiz for this week and see if you've really gotten it.